Using BIM360 Design with Civil 3D gives you the ability to create data shortcuts in the cloud versus in a local environment. This workflow is much the same process as creating DREFs on either your local machine or in a LAN environment. When setting the working folder, you simply select a folder in your folder structure that you've created in BIM360 Design. Once the data shortcut project is created, you can then start to create DREFs for design information like surfaces, alignments and profiles, pipe networks, pressure networks, and corridors. The folder structure that you're used to seeing in your local environment is now populated and structured the same, but in the cloud in BIM360 Design. Once the DREF has been published to BIM360 Design, it can be made accessible to all of the project members so that each member can utilize just what they need for their work on the project. In this example, a designer is connecting to the existing condition surface through DREFs stored in BIM360 Design. In this next example, a designer has been asked to create cross-section sheets for an ongoing project. You can create multiple references at one time to any of the project data. Here you can see that all of the surfaces have been added to the drawing. Multiple corridors can be referenced at the same time also. When you reference a corridor, it brings in all of the necessary information needed to create the corridor in your drawing environment. Now that we have all of the information data referenced into our drawing from BIM360 Design, we can start to create cross-section sheets. By using BIM360 Design with Civil 3D, internal and external stakeholders can access and add design information to your project. Once the sheets are created, if the design information from any of the stakeholders updates, the sections will update with the correct information that is coming from the data shortcuts that have been stored in BIM360 Design.